Hello everybody, so today I want to quickly just look at the Bevel node, which is a really basic node which you will find in most 3D applications, and let's see how this works in Houdini. So I just need to create a piece of geometry. Probably the easiest way to show this is using a cube. So let's create a cube. Okay, basic cube, 6 sides, nice. And then let's add a bevel node, poly bevel. There we go, that's the one I want. Super. Now all I need to do is change my distance. This will control how large the bevel is, of course. And I can add extra divisions here. There we go. Now we have a number of options with shapes. I can have just a solid, which basically just looks like I've had some kind of extra geometry to this. I can also go with crease. What does that do? Oh, that's basically like adding edge loops. A chamfer, which I didn't remember seeing in Maya so much, this one, but I remember seeing it a lot in 3D Studio Max. But anyway, yeah, this is just like your typical chamfer, which kind of keeps the slope going straight the way down. There we go. All right, and then we've got the round, which is probably the one that you will see most when you're trying to bevel something, is this roundness, and you might tighten this up and just make it, because you know in reality things are never completely sharp at the edge there, unless it's maybe a knife edge or something, and even then it'll be slightly beveled. And of course this helps when you're rendering too, with getting light and reflections and stuff correct. And there's other option here, which, so I've got my, let me go into add more distance. So as you can see, this is like convex, it's called, when the bulge goes outwards. We can also suck that in, and we can make it like this, where we've got like a concave instead. So there are these options too. Let's have a look at how to make this with just one particular polygon. So let me go back here. I'm going to go distance of 0, and this time I'm just going to select group. Oh yeah, I want to be in, let me go into primitives, I think. Okay, try again, and I'm just going to select this one here, hit enter. All right, I can see that this is group 2, so this must be face number 2. Yeah, it is, of course. And now I want to add some information there, some bevel information. All right, let me remove that a moment. All right, and I'm going to go into my rounded section, and I'm going to make this into my convex again. And I can see now I'm only affecting one part, so I'm only affecting anything that's connected to this particular face. Okay, what I can do, of course, as well, is just go into points, and now I'm looking for point number 2, so this will be this one here. And let me put this one on. All right, so this will be point number 2 here, and I can see that now I'm just using that bevel to affect that one point. So I can have it in point, I can use it in primitives, and yeah. So you have a number of options within this tool in order to bevel things. In the next lesson, I think I'd like to look at how to use the bevel in an open curve. So we'll look at that next.